on.
We can
Yes,
see you,
you are
ma'am.
on. We can see you. We
Okay,
can
okay.
see you.
All right, I can see myself too. All right. Well, good evening, everyone, my dear fellow colleagues and students. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, Sister Tanuja, for delivering this valedictory address. Nothing right now comes closer to my heart except gratitude. At the outset, I wish to congratulate you and your team to all of you for organizing this national webinar on Education Gen Next, Perspectives, Opportunities, and Challenges, in collaboration with EdFly Learning Management Solutions. Over the last 2 days, we have learned a lot. Different perspectives on the use of technology, various kinds of tools, online learning, and we have seen the various opportunities that are there for publishing, for positioning, for academics, and of course, a number of challenges, but we will all be dealing with them. And those were the solutions that were actually given. So what has been laid emphasis actually is on essentially the use of technology in teaching learning process as well as online learning. And let me tell you, this is the need of the hour. All the resource persons, very, very accomplished. I heard each one of them, some on YouTube and some right now live. Each one was very accomplished. Very well, they articulated their viewpoints. Dr. Jayashree Shinde put forth her views on why and how we need to prepare the next generation for distanced group work and collaboration. 10 skills for the generation next were listed. This will, of course, help the university, the students, the schools in developing and preparing citizens for tomorrow. Mr. Viral talked about tools and techniques for online learning, and internet being the most, or the rather least inexpensive resource, which can be now best used for e-learning as well as for various faculty development programs. Dr. Sandhya Khedekar listed a number of, and she spoke very categorically about so many technology tools which can be used by teachers. She spoke of various platforms such as YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Vimeo, Facebook, Audioboom, Pinterest, Book Creator, and she also gave us information about presentation tools such as Prezi as well as SlideShare. All of them can be used for educational purposes as well as for publication purposes. Dr. Sarika Sawant gave us ideas on how educators and teachers can actually position themselves and make themselves visible to the public at large and educators in particular. She gave us various social platforms where we can make ourselves visible. And of course, to become visible, we have to do a lot of writing as well as posting. Dr. Saptrishi Ghosh, he explained about the importance of not only just publishing your own work, but also reading work by others. And he elaborated on how citations and impact factor are calculated. Professor Gopa Kumar, he spoke on that if citation is managed, then you need not blame plagiarism. And I'm sure all researchers who write and who publish would have gained a lot from his session. All the experts have shared their views, they have shared their knowledge, they have shared their expertise. And all of this, whatever we have heard, whatever we have learned, and to some extent, whatever we have internalized, will no doubt be of great value to us as we move forward in our educational practices, in our research endeavors, in our career, as well as in our life. Technology and its use is the need of the hour. be it for learning, be it for teaching or research or publication, or even in our day-to-day lives. And I'm highly impressed that how quickly our teachers and educators have perceived this need and done so well to learn and adopt this new technology at a very, very quick pace. And besides the academic content, what we are talking about and how important it is in our lives, what we have also gained from this 2 days webinar is we have learned to build relationships, and especially in times, relationships from a distance. In these very trying times when we are actually in the midst of a global pandemic. And let me tell you, history will remember academics, teachers, and educators for being able to come together and keep the teaching and learning alive for the students. You can imagine how difficult it is being at home and not being in contact with anybody else, especially when we are in schools and colleges, so used to being face to face with our teachers, with our friends, with our colleagues. And teachers have made this happen, that we are in contact with our students, and we are, especially when we are all in the confines of our home. But of course, in today's situation, home is the safest place on earth. Nothing is so much more refreshing and so motivating in being in contact with your fellow colleagues as well as your students. And actually, we have all come together as a community with the help of technology and with the idea of helping one another succeed. I have visited St. Teresa's Institute of Education on several occasions and in several capacities. I have witnessed Sister Tanuja and her team, Dr. Sheila, Dr. Giselle, Dr. Shakuntala, Dr. Cinderella, Dr. Serena, Dr. Joan, Dr. Reshma, all have once again come together and put up and organized this wonderful webinar. This is indeed a reflection of your great leadership. I understand that yesterday there were about more than 1,000 participants actually witnessing the webinar and the various sessions. And today, somewhere in the chats, I read that nearly 7,000 people also witnessed it. What a tremendous outreach. You have actually touched upon the lives of several thousands and thousands of teachers and educators all over the country, and I'm sure abroad too. And with this congratulatory note, Sister Tanuja, I wish to thank you and your team for reposing this faith in me and giving me this opportunity to be a part of your webinar. Thank you very much, all of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay home. Keep learning happen all the time. Thank you.
Can I end the session?
No, sir, wait. Shakuntala.
Sir Viral. Hello, Sir Viral.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir Viral, you wanted 5 minutes. You wanted 5 minutes, na?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Shakuntala. Shakuntala sir has spoken already.
Okay.
So, ma'am, that's it. Can I end the session?
No.
Shakuntala.
Yes. Thank you, Dr. Garg, for joining us on such a short notice. And for watching all the YouTube videos and for giving us such a nice valedictory address. Truly, each it was really comprehensive and value-added summary of all the expert sessions of Education Gen Next. Truly, each session of Education Gen Next webinar was a beautiful, fruitful, and enriching experience for all of us. Proposing vote of thanks to remember all those who made this endeavor possible and successful is greatest privilege for us. It contributed immensely to this today's national webinar, Education Gen Next, Perspectives, Opportunities, and Challenges. This webinar helped to generate and disseminate lots of knowledge with respect to technology in education, teaching, learning for researchers, academicians in higher education system. First of all, I owe my gratitude to Almighty God for helping us in all possible ways and in all possible forms for making this webinar possible. We are thankful to our manager, Sister Vilma Mendes, Provincial Sister Claire D'Souza, and Principal Sister Tanuja Wagmare for believing in our capabilities, our capacities, and inspiring us to undertake and accomplish such academic endeavors. I also convey my thanks to Principal Sister Dr. Tanuja Wagmare for her welcome address. We are thankful to Dr. Jayashree Shinde, Director, Teaching Learning Center, SNDT Women's University, who gave the keynote address, Education Gen Next, Why and How, highlighting the needs of ICT in education today. We are grateful towards all resource persons for sharing their time and knowledge with us. For the first academic session, I thank Dr. Sandhya Khedekar, Principal GES College of Education, Sangamner, who began this webinar by giving the most comprehensive and systematic presentation on technology tools. Our Assistant University guided us very systematically about enhancing visibility of researchers through academic social platforms. Thank you for being with us, Dr. Sarika Sawant, Dr. Jayashree Shinde, and Dr. Sandhya Khedekar. I would like to thank our morning expert speaker, Dr. Saptarshi Ghosh, Associate Professor, Department of Library and Information Science, North Bengal University, Darjeeling, who took an immensely informative session about paradoxical betweenness in academic endeavors and research matrices. With illustrations and clarity, he made many technical fundamentals in academic writing and publishing easy for all participants to understand. Continuing further, I thank Dr. Gopakumar V, University Library of Goa University, who talked and demonstrated about proper referencing citations to avoid blame of plagiarism. Also, practically demonstrated about how to manage citations using MS Word. Thank you, Dr. Garg, once again for giving such a wonderful valedictory address. My special thanks to co-host and organizing partner, Edflight Learn, which is an innovative learning management solution tailored for Indian educators. From hosting live e-lectures to assessment, attendance, teachers' own content, library and the platform captures complexities of online teaching to one simple solution. Thanks again, once again, the dynamic team of Edfly Learn. We are very thankful to our sponsors, Union Bank of India, Santa Cruz West, Mrs. Geeta Dote, Vidyaram Mohanji Charitable Trust, Mumbai, Gina and Company, Mr. Anand Mittal, Mr. Neil Sahani, Mr. Angad Sahave, Mr. Milind Bengali, Bank of Maharashtra Khar Road, Mrs. Gauri Pulman, ex-governor of Rajasthan Prabha Rao and her family, Davos College of Commerce, Mumbai, Mr. Dharav Davar, Without their financial support, this webinar wouldn't have been possible. I'm also thankful to teaching staff of St. Teresa's Institute of Education, Dr. Giselle D'Souza, Dr. Sheila Philip, Dr. Joan Lopez, Dr. Serena Dicuna, Dr. Reshma Rodriguez, who worked tirelessly day and night during the lockdown period to make this webinar a grand success. I owe my gratitude to our admin staff, Ms. Colleen, Ms. Sharmila, Ms. Delicia, and also our support staff of St. Teresa's, Mr. Sanjay, Mr. Anthony, Mr. Lakshman, Mrs. Neelam, who helped us in all possible ways for this webinar. As Institute of Education, especially Ms. Karishma, Ms. Natasha, and Ms. Johanna for their great technical support. A big thank you, girls, with lots of love. And how can I forget my dear participants who have joined us from all over India, from every state of nation, and from abroad also. Thank you all, principals, librarians, lecturers, teachers, students, research scholars, doctors, engineers, and CAs for joining us as a participant in Education Gen Next webinar. Now there is one announcement for participants. Links to feedback forms for day 2 will be posted after 5 minutes in all WhatsApp groups and Telegram groups of Education Gen Next. Kindly fill the feedback form for day 2 with proper details as and when the link is posted. It will be disabled within 30 minutes after this seminar is over. After 5 p.m. it will be, again I am repeating, after 5 p.m. it will be posted in all the groups. It's mandatory to submit the feedback forms for 4 days to get certificate provided you are registered participant of the webinar. You will be getting your certificate in coming 10 days from today, as number of registered participants is very large. It is more than 2,500. So please bear with us for this delay. And it's my sincere request not to share the feedback links in any other groups. With the national anthem at the end, now I declare this 2-day national webinar, Education Gen Next, is completed. But friends, this journey doesn't end over here. Now we have to start with Education and Teaching Learning Gen Next with all tools and techniques we have learned through this 2-day webinar, Education Gen Next Perspectives and Opportunities. May I request all of you to kindly stand up for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you all.